In some of our bedrooms, specifically the primary bedroom, you'll often find a higher mounting area for a TV. So you could lay in bed and have a TV mounted up here, which is really handy to have. Now, to make this a little bit easier, we've installed blocking above the mounting area here where your plug and your conduit is, as well as there's studs here. So there's lots of material to tie in for your TV mount. You'll also see that there's a cover here with a fuzzy bit. What this is this is a conduit to allow a cable to run inside of the wall down to the connections to the RG6 and Cat5e connections here. And what that will allow is you won't have any hanging wires that are visible. It makes a nice clean install. The one challenge that comes up with this particular type of mount, however, is sometimes it's adjacent to a pocket door. Now, a pocket door moves within the wall cavity itself, so you can't necessarily see it. So you want to be very, very careful that you measure the opening size and then make sure that you don't put any screws within that same distance over from where the jamb is. So you don't accidentally put a screw into your pocket door. Obviously the door won't function very well. That also unfortunately wouldn't be a warranty issue because it's something that happened due to something the homeowner did. So we want to make sure, be very cautious when you're doing it. If you need help, there's always professionals that can help you with those installs.